system you work in your industry decides that you're not relevant, even though you're having things over here and they can censor you, I think that's wrong. So at the start of the 80s, they began waiting for other people. Listen, I could not be happier that the music is flat, regardless of anything, but I'm not ready to give up on making records and writing songs. In a few years, maybe. Until I get to 80.
Skilled at the creation of opening titles. One of the most gifted creators of opening titles was Howard Anderson Jr. To reel off his accomplishments in this bite-sized art form is to list most of the great TV shows of all time. Anderson created the opening titles for I Love Lucy, Dragnet, and The Untouchables. He created the opening to the Andy Griffith Show, The Mod Squad, My Three Sons, My Favorite Martian, and The Twilight Zone. He created two different openings for the Dick Van Dyke Show, one where Van Dyke tripped over the footstool, and one where he didn't. So innovative. Think about that partial list of TV shows for a moment. If you are of a certain vintage, like moi, you can picture each and every one of those opening sequences for each and every one of those shows. Howard Anderson also created one of my favorite opening titles of all time. Anderson's opening titles always set the table, and the setting was always perfect. With the Beverly Hillbillies, he
Continuez 250 mètres, puis tournez à gauche sur la rue du Lac-Émile.
always spot on, whether it was for a serious show like The Twilight Zone or the zany humor of Get Smart. I remember watching the opening of Get Smart every week, never getting tired.
Tournez à gauche sur la rue du Lac-Émile.
There were two different openings where Maxwell Smart did or didn't get his nose stuck in the closing doors. Howard Anderson also created the opening titles for this little show you may remember. It's an extraordinary resume. We can hop on the site almost every one. He created
500 mètres, puis tournez à gauche sur la rue du Lac-Émile.